If you lose your phone at night and hear it ringing in another room, stay where you are. Cases have been reported in Ohio and Pennsylvania. Most people assume their phone slipped off the bed. It didn't. You're lying in bed. The room is dark. Your phone was next to you seconds ago. You reach for it. Nothing. You check under the blanket, then beside the mattress. Still nothing. Then your ringtone starts playing. Not beside you, but from inside the closet. The sound is muffled, like something is holding it. First, do not call out. If the ringing stops after you speak, do not wait for it to start again. Stay quiet. Second, do not open the closet door. If your phone is really inside, you will see light under the door. If there is no light, leave it shut. Third, leave the room slowly. Do not run. Do not check behind you. And if the ringing starts moving closer to you, keep walking. Because the ringing was never trying to help you find your phone. It was trying to get you to open the door. Share this with someone who sleeps next to their phone.